Here, we owe it to the Almighty Allah. It's a momentous occasion. It's a great honor for us as the FDC to host all these great leaders from different political formations, to recommit ourselves to the struggle that we have championed all these years. It's on that note that I take this great honor and opportunity to welcome all of you, the leaders of different institutions that constitute this formidable consortium that is advancing the struggle. You are most welcome in your respective capacities as you have been introduced here. Ladies and gentlemen, the crisis we are contending with is well known to us. All of us have a fair knowledge of what we are dealing with. If we are talking about a broken country, we are talking about a failed state, we are talking about a captured nation, we are talking about a disempowered civilian authority, we are talking about corruption or abuse or plunder of our resources and so on and so on. All that is known to us. What is it that is making us assembled this morning here? It's not about, and make no mistake, members of the press and all of you Ugandans, make no mistake to interpret this as a new platform. No. Don't ascribe anything strange to this struggle. No. We are not here to announce anything related with formation of a new platform. No. It's a continuation of the struggle that we have been pursuing all these years. And it's the reason we have been having engagements all through to appreciate the differences we have in our different political formations, and also appreciate that we all have individual ambitions. But in a house which is on fire, it is only foolhardy on your part to pursue those selfish ambitions. It's the reason we are assembled this morning to put the country before us. We are putting all our political differences, all our different interests, to say Uganda belongs to all of us. The reason you are seeing a wide spectrum of different shades of political persuasion. What unites us is the mission to rescue our country from the precipice, to rescue our country from the cliff where it is today. And the call we are making, all of you, let's rally behind this particular cause. It's our call. We have a document which passes off as the Constitution. Unfortunately, it's an illustrated document. In Article 1 of that particular document, there is that provision which was well known to all of us, that this country, that power belongs to the people. Unfortunately, we are contending with a situation where power does not reside within the owners of this country, and it resides elsewhere, and that is the crux of the matter. It's one person, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, and his family who are holding on to this nation, and it's the commitment we are making to rally behind that particular cause to rescue our country. We are not here to liquidate our parties or form a merger. No, we are not merging political entities. Neither are we liquidating them. It's an appreciation, and we are making a call to all Ugandans regardless of our differences, all of you, that please let us all sing in unison. I hesitate to say it cannot be again said that Uganda is under captivity as we talk right now. So the persecution that is going on, the oppression that we are all facing, the enforced disappearance of many of our people, of our loved ones, and so on and so forth, is one thing that should unite us. Finally, as I emphasize this particular point, there is no political dispensation that engenders free competition of all political forces. No, it's not possible. That NOP here, the FDC, JEMA, UPC, CP here, ANTI, and all these other formations, that we can freely compete for political space. It's not possible. So in that kind of situation, the only logical thing we have to do is to come together as a united front. And that's what we have been pursuing all along. Mr. Yoweri Kaguta Museveni has already rolled out his program for 2026. His team is already assembled to deliver victory to him 2026. And they have started their work in earnest. The Justice Byabakama team. You know for sure Justice Byabakama, for intents and purposes, ought to be at the Constitutional Court. He shouldn't be at the Electoral Commission. If you passed by the corridors of the Constitutional Court there, he is on the list of the judges, justices, that he is on a mission somewhere. But he took leave. Can you imagine having leave of all those years? The first term he served as the chairperson of the Electoral Commission, he was on leave. Now leave has been extended for another period of how many years? 7 years. Blatant violation of the Constitution, you know for sure. So that commission cannot deliver a free and fair electoral process, cannot uphold the will of the people. It's the reason we have to focus our attention on recovery of our sovereignty, of getting back the authority of the people to ourselves. So I must commend all the leaders who have assembled this morning here for your courage. I know there are factors militating all of us, but my call to all of you, the FDC in particular who are here, my call to all of you, let us embrace the vision of working together to deliver our country from the doldrums. That is my call to all of you. This should be the guiding factor. We have always championed this struggle under Article 3 of the Constitution, which is a command to all of us. You know the dictates in Article 3 of the Constitution. It's a command to all Ugandans. So we demand that all of you, please, the friction should end. This unnecessary attack against one another is not helpful at all. So it's a call to all of you, please, the FDC, let us direct our daggers against Yoweri Kaguta Museveni and his family. All of you. That is our call to all of you. I want to use this very opportunity again to commit the party, the FDC, the progressive members of the FDC, because I really said in all our formations, we have that dichotomy, that divide in many of our formations, the progressive forces and the retrogressive forces. For us, we have made a commitment, we're not going to be detracted by any retrogressive forces. So a call is made to all the progressive FDCs. Please, this is a call to all of you. It's a clarion call. the command under the Constitution is that, please, let's focus our attention on rescuing our country, our motherland, from wherever it is under captivity. That is a call to all of you. And with those remarks, I take this opportunity once again to welcome all of you. You are most welcome. You are most welcome. And please listen to the statements that are going to come from all these leaders as we chart a way forward for our motherland. May God bless you for God and my country.
Obugalo bw'omulodi